Hey guys, welcome back to Catch Some Bass Fishing. Today I am out here again, just like yesterday. I have Kayleigh here and Sam is on her way. She is going to be biking here.
We bike too, but Sam's going
yeah, Sam comes the opposite way. So yeah, we're just going to catch some fish. Okay guys, so Sam is here.
Literally when I texted you, we just got here. I meant to text you when we were on our way. Whoa.
I didn't get the text when we were on our way. Oh, I already have one.
She's actually going to vlog the whole time that we're here.
Caught one.
I literally only got...
Like, you really do need a better rod.
Like, it absolutely sucks.
Well, I have one.
There's supply. It's different for you. You can have like 7 rods at a time. Like,
it's a bass. Caught a little bass. He's so...
no, right here. Just
This little guy. I'm gonna take a little pic with him.
No.
Super cute. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the release. Okay guys, so Kayleigh is, I don't even know what she's doing.
Eating chips. We were just this, like, honestly.
Got fish. Oh.
That's what I caught out of here
Look at
yesterday.
that.
It was a huge.
Got my little Sunny.
On my story.
What happened there, Sam?
Oh my god, this dude is so spicy. I'm stuck.
Oh.
How did we not get tangled?
I have no clue. This one's so pretty. I can teach you how to do that.
This looks to be just like a sunny because it's not an. It's like an orangey kind of belly, but it's just a sunny.
Good. Put the bend in that rod. Wow.
I might start filming when you're done.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna film because then I'll just post this video.
Oh, yep.
Look.
$20 at Jerry's challenge. Like, you have 20 bucks. Oh,
That's like sucks. Like, it takes me 5 minutes
Sam.
to reel it.
Same one.
It's already tangled up.
Caught another one.
You know what? I'm just gonna fix it. Always like who's gonna...
Guys, we were fishing and we caught a turtle.
On an ice fishing rod.
Yeah. Kayleigh! Caught a turtle! Oh my god, it's hooked through the tongue. Hooked through the tongue.
So this is all what.
Oh, Jimmy, all right. Jimmy, okay. All right. See, Kayleigh, look. Are you proud? Well, guys, it's after this video, but I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it. Subscribe and come back for more. Bye.